Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this CMJ scale radio control car with remote control. I ordered this from amazon.co.uk. This is Range Rover Sports remote control car. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope this will help you to make informed choice about this toy car. This is the information pack. Beautiful. There we go. See what it looks like. Nice Range Rover. So this car uses double air battery is what it's using. So you need to get a battery. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. It uses double air battery. So you need a star screwdriver, so unscrew it. Then so the battery, going to use Energizer battery. No, you need 3 of those here. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this from amazon.co.uk, the link for the battery as well as the car. Okay, so negative go to this end and the center one negative to this end, this left, and this negative to the right. Okay, now close it and tightening back the screw. Okay, so you switch this on to the left, off to the right. Okay, then open up this remote. So you need 2 batteries. So total batteries you need in total is 5. So negative this end and positive this end. Then tighten it up. Okay, so switch it to the left. Then you need to switch on the remote control as well. So switch it on. You can see once the remote is on, this is for you to move to the right and also move it to the left, and this is for you to go front. This is for you to go front and go back. This is beautiful. So with this control, pretty much like, you know, move this up to go forward, then back. Then if you want to go to the right, Okay, so you need to slide it to the right, then go front or back to go back to reverse backwards, then slide it to the right, go front, then go backwards. This is brilliant. This is really cool. It's nice for the young ones. So once you remove your hand on top of there, okay, if you push it forward, okay, then you remove your hand and it will stop. Go back again, remove, then it will stop. Then press this to go right, then go forward. If you want to go right, you need to hold it to the right, then maneuver, then go forward. Then this is brilliant stuff. This is brilliant stuff. Beautiful. This is awesome, nice, brilliant stuff. This is nice Range Rover toy. So guys, this is what we have here. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this. Okay, order this from amazon.co.uk, and you can see what it looks like with the battery and the information pack. You need screwdriver, that's all you need to set this up, and you are ready to go. Brilliant stuff. It deserves your attention. Thank you.